We're going to Ginza and Harajuku.
Wawaldas na naman.
Shopping time! Bye! Hi guys, I forgot we have ano pala, booking for the art aquarium here in Ginza. And our appointment is at 10:30. It's 10:24.
Let me show them my Facebook.
Why? No. I don't care. Just waiting in the lobby. Pero dyan yung linya.
Oh shit, it's so nice in here. Nemo, what are you doing there, Nemo? We finally found Nemo.
Look guys, it's so pretty. Sa kasama ko, naiihi na naman. Oh? Pang!
Pampulutan.
Kawawa sila. Kasi ang liit lang.
Si Nemo na naman. Gawing pulutan.
Kayong tatlo yan ni EJ tsaka si Justin. Si John Ron.
Opal.
They're not moving though. Let's try this.
Ayun, ang ganda dun. Oh.
Picture tayo dun. Ganda. Ito pala. How do you say?
Nemo na naman.
Californiaken?
Daming Nemo.
They look angry.
Gago EJ.
They look so angry.
Ay, gago sa open top pala siya.
Oh, that one's really clear.
Paano ayaw? What's up, bro?
Why do they look so big?
Asan yung fish dito?
Picture. Picture ulit.
EJ.
Shy type. Dali na! Baka OA naman itong kasama ko. Ganda guys. So pretty. May sariling mundo na naman to. Sinong pinipicturean mo dyan?
Justin.
Bakit si Justin? Kamukha mo daw, Justin. Ang ganda.
Ayaw mo ulitin?
Pakita mo asan si EJ. Ay, shot glass oh. Ay, charis. Saki ka.
Ganun din. Shot glass, sake. Ayun.
Asan si EJ?
Doon.
Magnet oh. EJ, ikaw daw to. Tapos na yung ano namin. Dito lang kami sa gift shop.
Gusto kong gift pagkain.
Hindi, tara na. Let's go. Shop is so cute though. If you like goldfishes and stuff. Look how cute, guys. Play model. Let's go to our next stop. Another day, another damage. Here na naman siya. We're still in Ginza, guys. I'm so hungry, so we're gonna eat again.
After this, sapatos na naman ni EJ. Tapos, sana, Shinjo. Harajuku. Good.
Can't really vlog that much today since we're just shopping. Bye. After shopping, marami. Food. Ang sarap.
Ano yan?
Creme brulee ice cream. Wanna try?
Creme brulee ice cream. And of course,
Sarap po.
matry.
Ito, araw-araw na lang nagbi-beer.
Anong araw-araw ngayon lang eh.
You had it earlier. We're in a sushi restaurant. We're still in Harajuku. But we're gonna go home later.
Ano?
After we're done eating. It's our last day tomorrow. Oh no. Okay lang. Masyado na malaki ang damage.
Currently trying to fix everything.
The shopping is advantage of me.
At least yung pilik mata nakakabit pa rin.
Huh?
At least yung pilik mata nakakabit pa rin.
What day is it today?
6.
Day 6. It's our last day. And he wants to try the ramen. So we're here in Ichiran Ramen. Inintay lang namin yung food namin.
Ayaw na ito.
Yeah, it's tea. Original tea.
Pakita mo yun.
Where are we going today?
Souvenir shopping. Sa
We're making the ramen.
Asakusa.
Sakusa.
Oh, this place is Ichiran.
Ichiran Ramen. We're gonna buy souvenir and then should we go home and then drop off the stuff and then go to your Gundam?
Kala ba hindi na? Wait, mamaya.
You can choose your preference. Looks good. You can finally try their Ichiran Ramen. Grateful.
So, parang hindi spicy ito. Ang sarap, putang ina. Sarap daw.
Kamarutan ba?
Here.
Yan, laging pinupunta ng mga tao. Ichiran Ramen.
At first, parang kulang sa ingredients, pero ang sarap. So rich in flavor.
He finally tried one of his dreams.
Yeah.
Check off the bucket list.
Ang sarap. Sarap ng sabaw.
Ako naman. Init. Sarap.
Told you.
Hindi ako like a big ramen fan, but like, it's good.
Sino tubig?
Maya. Anghang?
No?
For me, alam mo naman ako. It's good. Wala, mali yung sinawsaw ko. Okay lang yan, di tayo makakita. Kaka-open lang nila, guys. Dito agad kami. May onti lang tao. Hi, Chu. Huwag na yan. Dami ding nagsa-souvenir shopping. This is Hale's favorite. Not sure. I don't live here. Yan. Ano yun nandyan? Chips. Last day in Japan. Sorry, we couldn't film yesterday. We slept. What are you gonna miss in Japan?
Food.
And
Toilet seat.
shopping.
And shipping. It's not bad.
I like the sizes here.
Yeah, you can say that.
Asian size. fits my height perfectly. We're just in the airport. We're so early. 5 pa yung check-in, pero
No, 1 yung check-in.
I mean 1, but like our flight still at 5. We're so early. Kasi wala na kaming space sa luggage, so we're like, let's just go here instead of shopping.
Tapos pagbalik ng Canada, isang araw lang na pahinga. Actually, hindi pa pahinga eh. Magiging driver pa agad ako nun. Yung isa dito, may appointment na naman agad.
Yeah, we just have 1 day and then
Work na naman.
work ulit.
We're on a plane again the next day.
The busy life. Okay lang yan, mag-low-key na naman ulit.
Yeah.
We're gonna save money again. Bye guys.
Wait, magkano yung damage mo, sir?
A lot.
Like how much?
I don't know. Maybe 3 or 5K.
Shopping alone.
Shopping is probably 3K. Yeah, I went hard on shopping. Like you.
Kung isa kang taong hindi mahilig magpasalubong, you're good.
Mahilig kasi ako magpasulubong. Like, I like buying stuff. That's like my love language. And giving pasulubong to people. Okay, bye!